We are Ignite Digi, a small Hobart-based team specialising in the design and manufacture of high-quality CNC machined parts. Our award-winning camera and gimbal accessories are used on film and TV productions around the world. We have a range of 3 and 4 axis milling machines, including a new state-of-the-art Akuma MB4000 horizontal with a 10 pallet pool which enables 24/7 production. In addition to the mills, we have a fibre laser that allows us to produce high-quality marked parts for finished assemblies. We facilitate anodising and packaging and shipment of the product around Australia or the world. If you're interested in joining our team here in Hobart, please see below for vacancies.